Hey, this is Jeff. No plane, just no van, and here's the situation. Uh, yeah, there's the idler pulley. It rolls slightly, but I did. It does have wobble in it. Anyways, finally got that bolt unseized. This bolt right here. And you know what? I can turn it, but it ain't coming out. Little white mark on there. Yeah, I can turn it very easily. And it ain't coming out. What does that tell me? It tells me the aluminum. I stripped it out. It's stripped out. I'm going to have to buy a whole new thing now. There you go. That's the latest on my troubles. I guess I'll put it back together for right now. Get one ordered. Start on the floor. Making that floor. Jesus, always something. Anyways, goodbye. I'll record my next videos when I run into some more troubles. Bye.